Hey guys, my name's T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2020 Yamaha AR240. This one is the space blue with the black hull bottom. Got a nice stern area. Got a center walk-through right here. Nice L-shaped seating, co-captain's chair, captain's chair, both of them swivel and slide. Got a nice sports tower on it with Bimini that folds front and back. Step on up, nice leg room, co-captain's chair. You got nice in-floor storage. Helm here, of course, twin engine, so you got twin throttles. A nice 7-inch screen on the right-hand side, phone holder right there on the left. You got the joystick too, so if you don't want to do the touchscreen. Step up front, got a huge bow in it. And of course, you know, all Yamahas come standard with the bow filler cushion set, so this whole area turns into a one big pad. Dedicated anchor and front boarding ladder as well. Again, this is the Space Blue 2020 AR240 twin engine 1.8 liter. Absolute phenomenal boat. Performance, ride, quality. Doesn't get much better for this kind of price point boat in 24 feet. You know, trailers are included, tandem axle with brakes. I've got several Yamahas in stock as well, 242 Limited SE, got a 210 Fish, SX 210, AR195. So if 24 is a little too big, I've got plenty in the 19 and 21 foot range. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.